They say nothing lasts forever, but they ain't seen us together, or the way the moonlight dances in your eyes. Just a t-shirt in the kitchen with no makeup and a million other things that I could look at my whole life. A love like that makes a man have second thoughts. Maybe some things last forever after all. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze Guitar Lessons. This is How to Play Forever After All by Luke Combs. It's a great song. If you guys have any requests, let me know. I'm trying to get to them as quickly as I can. But just let me know in the comments if you have requests, and I'll get to them really soon. So, well, as soon as I can. So this is a really great song. It's in standard tuning. I've seen some other ways that people recommend playing it. Like you can play it with the capo on the 6th fret, and like that works. But I don't think it sounds as good. So, and that's definitely not. I mean, it's just not the way. It doesn't sound. If you want to play it like with the music, I point over there because I have a speaker over there. If you want to play it like with the music, then I don't think it sounds good with the capo on the 6th fret. So this is in standard tuning, and there's no capo on it. Okay. Before I get into that, please hit like and subscribe. So that the more that you hit like, the more that people that YouTube serves up to people. So please do that for me, okay? And just hitting the thumbs up just makes me feel good too. So all right, so I'm going to show you guys how to play this song. It's a pretty dang easy song. There might be a chord that trips you up. I don't think so, but I'm going to show you. So you're gonna use these chords: C. Okay. You're also going to use F, and I know that's hard for a lot of people. Okay, so you're going to bar all the way from the big E all the way down. Now, if you can't bar it, that's okay. Just try it, because otherwise, I mean, you can play it like a power chord, and that'll work too. Okay, with a power chord with your middle finger there, but it won't sound as good because these are open. So if you just try, it at least mutes them. Hear that? So that's if it's actually barred, and that's just if you're like trying to. So it's okay. So you're gonna bar from the big E all the way across. All right, and then you're going to put your ring finger, as you can see there, on the 3rd fret. And that's on the 1st fret, by the way, barring on the 1st fret on the E. And then you're going to put your ring finger, it's going to go on the 3rd fret on the A string. Your pinky goes on the 3rd fret on the D string, and your middle finger goes on the 2nd fret on the G string. Okay. All right, so that's F. You're also going to do G. I like using this G, but do what's easier for you. Pinky on the 3rd fret. All right, on the little E string, ring finger on the 3rd fret on the big E string, and your middle finger on the 2nd fret on the A string. Okay, you're also going to do A minor. Okay, so A minor, I put my middle finger on the 2nd fret on the D string, my ring finger, all right, on the 2nd fret on the G string, and my pointer finger goes on the 1st fret, all right, on the B string. All right, and I'm usually muting the E string, but you don't have to. I think it sounds better though. And then you're also going to do D minor. Okay, so D minor, you're going to put your middle finger on the 2nd fret on the G string. Your ring finger is going to go on the 3rd fret on the B string, and then your pointer finger is going to go on the 1st fret on the little E string. And again, I'm muting the top. All right, so that's D minor. The other one I didn't show you is C, but I think that's pretty easy to play for most people. Ring finger on the 3rd fret on the A string, middle finger on the 2nd fret on the D string, and pointer finger, all right, goes on the 1st fret on the B string. All right, so that's C. So here's how you're going to play the song. All right, you're going to use the same strumming pattern throughout the whole song, other than a couple times where you just do single strums. So what you're going to do is you're going to start with F. You're going to do that part where it's like do 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 do. So you're going to do F do 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 do. So you're doing this, and you repeat that: F, C, G. Okay, so you're doing F, C, G. You're going to do that twice: F, C, G. Okay. So that's how you're going to play it. So just real quick: F, C, G. Now the strumming pattern for this is down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So you're just doing down, down, up. Sorry, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up. So just down, down, up, down, up, okay? Now, the way that you're gonna play this, you're gonna do F, C, G twice with no lyrics, and then when you get to the verse, then you're gonna play it. You're still gonna play that same thing. You're gonna add a little bit more into it. You're gonna do F, a cold. So you're gonna do F on cold. A cold beer's got 12 ounces. Ounces is C. Okay, so you do on cold you do F, and on ounces you do C. Ounces. A good. Okay, good is G, so that's easy to remember. A good truck's got maybe 3. Okay, maybe 3 is A minor. 300,000. You only is F. Only gets so much is C. Much until it's gone. So gone is G. So far the first 2 times you've used G is on good and gone. Gone. Okay, then you're gonna go to F again. Right, F right before Duracells. Duracells in a mag. Okay, mag light is C. Mag light, a needle. Okay, needle is G. Needle drop on 4. Okay, 40 is A minor. 45. Okay, then you do after 5 you do F. All the kind of things is C. Things that only last so long. So long is where you're gonna do G. So long. You down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay. Now for the pre-chorus, the chord progression is going to change. You're going to use that D minor. Okay. So you're going to use D minor, and you're going to do when the new wears off and they get to getting old. Old is F. Okay. Old. Sooner is D minor again. So you're doing D minor, F, D minor, F, G. Okay. Sooner or later, time's gonna take its. Okay, after it's right before toll, you're gonna do F. Toll. So then for toll, you're gonna, because that's a drawn out lyric, you're gonna do F, G. Toll. They say nothing. Okay, then you go into the chorus and you do nothing is F. Okay. Now the thing is, the strumming pattern is the same for the chorus. So what you're gonna do is I would just play it softer, or if you want for the intro and verses, you can just do single strums. You can just do single strums like that, okay? Or you can just play it softer, like. And when you get to the chorus, you're gonna do it louder. They say nothing lasts forever, but they ain't seen us together or the way. See, like that. So because you're gonna sing it way louder too. So what you're gonna do here is you're gonna do. They say nothing. Nothing is F. Nothing lasts forever, but they ain't. Okay, ain't is C. Ain't seen us together or the way. Way is A minor. Way the moonlight dances in your eyes. Okay, eyes is G. Eyes. Just a t-shirt. Okay, t-shirt is F. T-shirt in the kitchen with no makeup. Okay, makeup is C. Makeup and a million other things. Things is A minor. Things that I could look at my whole life. Okay, life is G. Life. Then you go to F again. A love on love. A love like that makes a man have second thoughts. Thoughts is G. Thoughts. Maybe some is F. Some things last forever. Forever is G. Ever after all. Okay, then you're gonna go back to F. So what you could do, and what I did when I played the intro is when I played like at the beginning of the video, I did F. Maybe some things last forever after all. Then you're gonna do the intro again, but you're only gonna do it once. So you're gonna do F, C, G, and then you're gonna go right into the second verse, which is the same as the first one. So for the chorus, you're doing F, C, A minor. So it's F, C, A minor, G, F, C, A minor, G. Then, so you do that F, C, A minor, G twice, and then you're gonna do F, G, F, G, F. Okay. So then you're going to do F, C, G once. Then you're going to go to the second verse, second chorus, and everything. And then when you do the solo, you're going to be doing A minor, F. Okay, then you do C, G, all right, G. And then you're gonna go to the last chorus. They say nothing, and I would do single strums here. They say nothing lasts forever, but they ain't seen us together, or the way the moonlight dances in your eyes. And I know. Okay, then so after you do and I know, then you're gonna start strumming it again, okay? So that's how you play the whole song. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything, and thanks for watching. See you later, bye.